Hey guys, you want to be able to take your headlights from looking dull and dingy to clean and shiny in just a few minutes? Watch this. If you've been noticing that your headlight assemblies on your car or truck or whatever are getting faded, they're cloudy looking, and it's getting hard to see at night, I found this hack. It works great. It's usually something that most of us have in our garages, and if not, it's super cheap. I've got this Mother's mag and aluminum polish, and this is an old can. And then you're just going to grab a clean microfiber towel. Boom. We're going to go out here and we're going to do this in real time. It's going to be a real short video, but I wanted you to be able to see how quickly you can get this done. So as you can see, I've got my little Dodge Dart here, and before I put my new headlights in, I wanted to clean the headlight assemblies. I don't know if you can tell how hazy that is, but it's not looking the greatest. So let me set this camera up and I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to clean this up within just a couple of minutes. So on your microfiber, you've got two sides to it, obviously. You've got a smooth side, which is going to be more for polishing, and this other side, which is a little bit, I wouldn't say rougher, but you know, it's got a little bit of texture to it. This is the side that we're going to use to put the polish on. Like I said, this is just Mother's mag and aluminum polish, and I gotta tell you, this is the most exciting thing that I found on the internet today. Just gonna throw some of this on. I am not even worried about the paint. If you're worried about the paint, do your thing, mask everything up, and protect your paint. I'm not, so let's just do this. I put the polish on the coarse, the side that has the most texture, and I'm just gonna rub it in. I don't think these cans of Mother's are very expensive, under 10 bucks, I'm sure. I've had these for a long time, but you're just gonna work this in, and you know, don't be afraid to really get in there with it. It's a polish, and you'll see that some dirt and grime and stuff are coming off there. But what this is going to do is put a nice protective coating on there also. Now, in the past, the way I generally like to do things is these headlights, I'll take some sandpaper and do some sanding, and then put some clear coat over it. And especially if you're using the 2K clear coat, that's going to be a nice long fix. I probably have got some videos on here of using that method, but right now I just don't have time for all that. And I'm gonna pay attention to how long this little trick lasts, because I don't know how long it's gonna last. But I'll tell you, I was pretty impressed with the other headlight, because you know, got to do a test one before you go and make an idiot of yourself on the internet. So that's it. That's what I've got off of here. Boom. Gonna flip this same microfiber around. Now we've got the clean polishing side, and we're just gonna buff that out, I guess. The video I saw, the guy's headlights were like really yellow and looked horrible. Now this is not going to be as good of a fix as obviously using some 600, 800, 1000 grit sandpaper and then clear coating it. That would be the nice permanent fix. But if you just need to see a little bit better quickly, and you don't have all day to mess with it, boom, right there. I gotta think that looks a ton better than what it did. And now I'll be able to throw them a new LED headlights in there and actually see at night. See, I could probably go over that some more, but I'd say that's a pretty nice little hack. Pretty cheap, and it's usually something that most of us already have sitting around our garage. And if you don't, go just run up to Walmart and grab some. It's like, I gotta think they're under 10 bucks, but I don't know. Try the kits, do whatever you want to do, but this is a nice little hack. So y'all have a good one. Thanks for watching. We'll see ya.